Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all are doing great and learning this language in a good way. So guys, as you know, my name is Preeti and today I'm going to share my journey with you. And until now I can't say I am a perfect and I reach at my intermediate level, but I can share with you which all things and which all uh, step I do in my English journey. So let's get started this video. So whenever I start my journey in 2025, so that time I never have I never had a good command in this language because that time I'm not able to speak many sentence, and I can say uh, I'm not confident in this language. I don't know how to speak, how to convey our thought with someone else. So that time I didn't know anything. But in 2025 I took resolution because earlier I love this language, and I want to improve this language in my earliest days also. But I could not do that time. Sorry if I do any mistake in a uh, grammatical and tenses way, so you can understand, because I'm also learner and I'm not rich at my best level, I can say. So I just share my journey. So earlier I was not able to convey my thought like this. So that's why I took resolution in 2025, and that time I thought what will happen and what will tough this journey. But I want to improve this language and I want to a good command in this language, because earlier I love so much this language, and I thought that time I don't know when will those days come when I will be speak fluent is English and I can convey my thought with someone else. So that time I thought, and this is my feeling that time. But mm, whenever I start my journey, so that time I never skip a single day because I want to enhance as soon as possible. So the my journey start in 2025 in January. So that time first I learned tenses and all things which is required in English language, like basic tenses and first, second, third form, and most of which we should know in our initial days. So I learned these all things that time. But gradually I learned so many things day by day, and in middle of month like April month, so that time I skipped my journey, and I had so many work to do and I was busy that time. So I think I skipped my journey of English uh, almost mm 2.5 months. So that's why I'm not able to convey my thought until now, fluently, and what can I say, I'm not at good level until now. That's why, because I skipped in middle of month, and then I thought in I think uh, the month of May, in the last days, I should do continue this journey if I want to get fluency in this language, and if I want to improve day by day. So I should not skip a single day. That time I continued my journey, and I just do all things by myself because I never have any partner and never had. So I just search all things in English, and I watched so many videos in YouTube, and also surround myself in English language. And whenever I have a free time, so that time I listen so many videos in English, and which all things I could do. So I did my best of learning this language. But until I'm at this language, I am at this level, you can say I can convey my thought easily. But if I talk about fancy vocabularies and uh, speak fluently, So that is a thing is, I should learn more and more, that I will be rich at the school. So that is my journey, and I do so much practice, and I did also. And then I'm not confident also now, but I can say earlier I was not confident, and whenever I try to speak something, so that I'm not any word come in my mind. So that's why this is these things is always happened with me. But now I can say I can speak like this. So guys, this is my journey until now, and so many things I did for learning this language, but I can't remind this now properly. But if you want to improve this language, if you want to improve your skills in this language, so be consistent, because consistency is key of any success. And if I also be consistent in this language, so I can say I will be definitely fluent in this language, and I can get a good command in this language in this year. So you should take also resolution for doing something new in your life. And I'm not say I'm a perfect in this language, but if we are trying to everyday new learning new things and improve day by day, so we can reach that level one day, which uh, we want in our life. So that is the thing, we should do hard work for hard work and smart work, and always do your 100% efforts, and as soon as you can learn many things in your life, so you will be get better one day. So guys, that's the all thing I want to share. And if I have some new topic, I want to improve my English as soon as possible, because I don't know what's the stage of uh, in my mind, but for this language. But I have to do so many more, other work too, but I can't escape this journey. So you can see my journey earlier my video, you can see, and this is what I want to say. And let's see when will I reach at my goal, so that time I will see my video and how I improved and what things I did in my earlier days. So that's the thing is, so guys, if I do any mistake in a grammatically, so you can correct me. And no one is perfect, because this is our second language. We are not native learner, so that's why we want to perfect in this language. But gradually we can learn, because if we are uh, if we are not native speaker, so the normal thing is we can't learn easily. We should surrounded by this language, and we should create environment for us. That's why we can improve ourselves in this language. So guys, I just want to share this all things. So I think that is enough for today. And if you want to also improve your English, so please do continue. If you don't have any partner, so you can make video like this. If I make my video like this front of camera, so you can also make. If you don't want to upload this video, so you should not upload, and you should make this video for yourself, and watch again, and see the different what where I did mistake, and what should I learn more and more, and where I should work which particular area in English. So that is going to help you too. So now I'm making my video, and because I thought I made my video I think 2-3 weeks ago. So whenever I skipped speak front of camera, and I don't make my video, so I think I forgot everything. Because if your tongue is not habitual in this language to speak English, so you forget everything which you learned in your initial days. So you should if you have partners, so that is a good thing for you. But if you don't have any partner, so you should speak in front of camera, and also mirror practice. So that is going to help you improve your English. And I just do these all things whenever I get time. And that is all. So guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.